The following message has been transmitted by the Irish government and the United States government. This is not a test. The entities and zombies that were reported first in California have spread across Ireland and other countries in Europe. Please be aware that these entities and zombies are extremely dangerous and hostile. Please go to in room and stay away from windows and doors. It is expected that these entities and zombies will spread to other countries around the world very soon.
We interrupt this program. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. This is an update to the entities and zombies crisis. These creatures have spread to the following countries that are outside of North America and South America: Spain, Portugal, Iceland, Ireland, the UK, France, Andorra, Monaco, Belgium, Italy, San Marino, Malta, Netherlands, Luxembourg, Germany, Denmark, Norway, Sweden, Austria, Switzerland, Liechtenstein, Austria, Hungary, Croatia, Slovakia, Serbia, Romania, Moldova, Bulgaria, Greece, Ukraine, Belarus, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Russia, Kazakhstan, Morocco, Senegal, Egypt, Libya, Ethiopia, Mauritania, Mali, Guinea-Bissau, Burkina Faso, Chad, Sudan, Ghana, Liberia, Jordan, Iraq, Kuwait, United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Oman, Israel, Palestine, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Iran, Yemen, Pakistan, Afghanistan, India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, Thailand, Singapore, Brunei, Malaysia, South Korea and Vietnam. Stay tuned for more updates. Please stand by. Please stand by. NARA has detected 150 missiles that contain nuclear warheads towards every country that has reported attacks from the Halloween entities. It has been confirmed that these missiles will launch in 5 hours. These nuclear missiles are from China and North Korea. Unfortunately, in fallout shelter cannot protect you from these missiles blast. 30 of these missiles are heading for the United States. Gather your friends, family and pets and brass for the end. Thank you for the collaboration, but all hope is lost.